All right, so I want to show you guys something here. I am doing a test cut, just using some MDF to cut out the body of this guitar I'm building. And I'm coming to a point right now where I'm making a cut that is going to cut out this piece right here. And I can tell that there's no tape on this back here. There was tape here, and I know there's some tape over here. But this little piece it doesn't have tape on it. And so when this pops free, smaller pieces especially, but if there's no tape behind it and it pops free, that's gonna potentially spin into your bit and could cause some problems. And so what I like to do is I like to go ahead and make that cut around and stop just short. I might even get a little closer to that. And then what I'll do is I'll just break it off, either use a chisel or just, if it'll break, you can just break it off by hand. And then go back through and make that final little pass just to clean up the part where it's there. So I'll show you. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you. All right, so as you can see, I made that final cut. I got it close. I'm literally just gonna take my chisel, break that piece off, pull it out of there, and then I'm gonna go back in and clean up that little piece there. And that way, this piece that was left doesn't end up in my bit causing problems.